Hey everyone! Welcome back to Daily English Speaking. In today's video, we're going to tackle a very common problem: understanding English but not being able to speak it fluently. If you can understand movies, songs, and conversations in English but struggle to express your thoughts, this video is for you. Here's what you're going to learn. Why this happens. We'll break down the real reasons why understanding English is easier than speaking it. Step-by-step solution. I'll walk you through powerful techniques that will help you speak English confidently. Practical tips. I'll share some practical tips that you can start using from today to improve your speaking skills. Motivation, real-life examples. You'll hear real-life examples of people who overcame this barrier and how you can too. By the end of this video, you won't just understand English, you'll be ready to speak it with confidence. So, make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's get started. Why this happens. Before we jump into the solutions, it's important to understand why this happens. Why is it that you can understand English perfectly, but when it's time to speak, you freeze? Here are the main reasons. 1 is lack of practice. Most people spend time listening or reading English, but they rarely practice speaking. Speaking is a skill, and just like any other skill, it needs consistent practice. If you're only listening and not speaking, your brain isn't building that muscle memory needed to form sentences quickly. 2. Fear of making mistakes. A lot of learners hesitate to speak because they're afraid of making mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes are a part of learning. The more you speak, the more you learn from those mistakes. Remember, perfection is the enemy of progress. 3. Vocabulary to thoughts conversion issue. Sometimes you know the words, but when you try to speak, you struggle to put them together. This happens because your brain isn't trained to convert thoughts into words quickly. It's like having all the parts of a machine but not knowing how to assemble them fast enough. 4. Overthinking grammar. Another big barrier is overthinking grammar. Many people pause too long trying to get every sentence perfect. This not only breaks the flow but also creates self-doubt. Fluency is about expressing your thoughts, not creating perfect sentences. Step-by-step solution. Now that we understand why this happens, let's look at the step-by-step solution to overcome these barriers. Follow these 5 practical steps to start speaking English confidently. Step 1. Start with thinking in English. The first step is to train your mind to think in English. Throughout the day, try to translate your thoughts into English, even the small ones. For example, if you're thinking about what to eat for lunch, say it in English. What should I eat today? This simple habit will make speaking English feel more natural over time. Step 2. Shadowing technique. This is a powerful technique where you listen to English videos, podcasts, or speeches and repeat exactly what you hear at the same time. This helps with pronunciation, intonation, and speaking speed. Find a video with subtitles, listen, and repeat sentence by sentence. Step 3. Mirror practice. One of the best ways to practice speaking is by talking to yourself in front of a mirror. Choose a topic and speak about it for 2-3 minutes while observing your expressions and body language. This not only builds confidence but also helps you identify areas of improvement. Step 4. Simple conversations. Start with small conversations with your family or friends. Don't worry about perfect grammar, just focus on expressing your thoughts. The more you engage in real conversations, the more fluent you will become. Step 5. Record yourself. Finally, record yourself speaking on different topics. Listen to the recordings and identify mistakes. This practice will help you understand your weak points and track your progress over time. Practical tips, tricks. Now, let's move on to some practical tips, tricks that can speed up your journey to English fluency. 1. I'd use apps for speaking practice. There are amazing apps like Cambly, HelloTalk, and Tandem that allow you to practice speaking with real people from around the world. These apps help you improve your conversational skills and build confidence. 2. Join English-speaking clubs or online groups. Find local English-speaking clubs or join online groups where people practice English regularly. This will expose you to different accents and improve your listening as well as speaking skills. 3. Focus on fluency first, grammar later. When you start speaking, don't stress too much about grammar. Your main goal should be to get your thoughts out fluently. Grammar can be refined with time, but fluency is built with practice and confidence. Motivation, call to action. I know learning to speak English fluently can feel challenging, but remember every expert was once a beginner. The important thing is to start and not give up. Even if you practice for just 15 minutes a day, you will see improvements in a few weeks. Consistency is key. I want you to take action right now. Pick any one of the techniques we discussed and practice it today. Just one step forward can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments which technique you're going to try first. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!